So Elliot's cleaning pigeon poo off the roof. Recently we've been having a lot of problems with pigeons. They're basically crapping all over the house. I'm going to make Elliot think that he's got an evil pigeon after him today. I've got some yogurt. He's cleaning the roof. I'm going to go upstairs. Brrr. Sorry, bro. Brrr.
Cha! Just clean my bloody windows. You silly pigeons! What's this, World War III?
I need another pot of yogurt.
Toxic.
What do you mean it's You don't need an ambulance, Elliot. I'm not touching you. You're soaked full of yogurt.
Yogurt? You're saying I've just been cleaning yogurt, not poo?
Taste it. Right?
It looks like cow cum.
Elliot,
Like a head of cows have just gone and squirted their bits around.
Elliot,
That's never going to come off. It's going to stain.
It's not.
Guess what? It's your car. So I'm not even going to bother cleaning it.
No, you're nuts. You're raving. Elliot, what have you done to the bucket, Elliot?
You know what?
You're a
Stop telling me what to do, Ben.
You're blaming nutter. I don't even trust you, that's why. Be careful, you're gonna break some, Elliot. Elliot, no! You're not gonna be able... Elliot, you're making marks on the door now.
I don't care!
All right.
I don't care about stupid marks, alright?
Oh, no, you're gonna... Stop drinking beer all the time.
You know what?
People are worried for you, Elliot, on the internet.
They're worried. They're worried. Why should you be worried? You enjoy this shit.
Right?
I've had enough of
Elliot.
this shit. No, get out
No.
my garden!
No, Elliot, don't be childish.
Sorry, bro.